The front of the center lock big brake kit is almost completed. So let's get into the shop, machine the last component, the caliper bracket, from plastic into 6061 aluminum, mount the caliper up, and we'll be finished with the front end. Time to turn these 2.5-inch square bar 6061 blanks into the front caliper brackets for the GMW. Materials loaded up, all the tools are touched off, we got a program, we're ready to go. Okay, the whole part's main profile is now done, just rough. So now we're gonna come in with a 3/4 inch solid carbide end mill and do one pass all the way around, hit that top surface again, go around the ears just to have a nice finished surface all the way around the body. Now all the sides are completely finished and the top level is finished. So next we're gonna come in with the chamfer tool, chamfer all the edges and spot drill where the two holes are gonna go. Everything's deburred, chamfered, holes are in, the engraving is in. So the last thing to do is put the M12 by 1.5 taps in, which is for the OEM hardware on the E36 caliper bolts. Also, I forgot to mention both parts are exactly like symmetrical. So for the left and right side, it'll be the same part through all these operations, and then I'll just simply flip the bracket over. So that way I don't have to make two separate parts. They're just the same thing. All right, the back side is all decked down to its final length. So now just chamfer the whole body, chamfer the holes, and this side's done. Okay, the main bodies are both completed. So for the third operation and the final operation, it's sat down like this, and we're gonna drill and tap the two ears that the caliper actually bolts to, and then I'll engrave PDX for it right here, and we'll be done. All right, time to pull the wheel, get this swapped out so the caliper is mounted to metal, not plastic, and we'll see how everything fits up. With our full rotor on, there's the bracket in the back, plenty of clearance, bolts up with the OEM hardware, looks so clean. So now I'm gonna mount the caliper up onto it. Sweet, all right, everything is bolted up and the whole front end is now metal. So that turned out really good. I'm gonna disassemble this, put it all back to stock because all these pieces still need to be coated and all that. But for now, that's done. We can start working on the rear and get closer to a finished product.